The Oregon Health Authority is sounding the alarm over a sharp increase in whooping cough cases across the state. A total of 178 cases have been reported so far this year. To put that into perspective, there were only 20 cases reported by this time last year. That's a 770% increase. Deschutes and Jefferson counties are among the top 10 counties to report high numbers. Infants are at the highest risk. However, in Deschutes County, there has been a range of those affected.
Current cases that we've seen range from about 9 months old to 22 years. So there's a different age groups are involved in the current the 12 cases that we are currently seeing.
Whooping cough is completely preventable. Deschutes County Health says the best thing you can do to protect yourself is get the vaccine.